And they're on their way. Scarab draws for your lead, moving up Jigsaw Star, then running on the outside is Madam Leonora as they leave the straight. And as they leave the straight with Scarab in command by about 4 lengths, then racing in third on the outside, Jigsaw Star. Una Mujer is running by the rail as they head towards the 1,000-meter mark with Iscarab leading the field. Then racing in second, Jigsaw Star. Una Mujer now racing in third. Running in fourth, Easy Tonet. As they pass the last 900, Iscarab still leading the field. Running in second, Jigsaw Star, Situnet by the rail. As they head towards the last 600, Iscarab still leading the field. Jigsaw Star in second, then by the rail, Situnet moving a party outside live in Manila as they race towards the last 450. Now we have Jigsaw Star leading the field. Situnet moving a party outside and running by the rail live in Manila unopposed as they race towards the last 350. Now we have Situnet goes right for the lead by the rail is live in Manila. Una Mujer, Jigsaw Star unopposed with 150 to go. Live in Manila, Situnet is on the outside. Situnet live in Manila by the rail and leading the white. It's going to be Situnet of Mr. Ruben Laureano, second live in Manila. Then comes unopposed Jigsaw Star close between Una Mujer and Madam Leonora for your Super